Confused by the sea of Linux distros? Don't worry, we've got your back. Let's break down the top Linux distros for different beginner needs in 2025. If you want an all-rounder that just works, Ubuntu is still a classic. It's user-friendly, has a huge community and plenty of tutorials. For old or low-powered laptops, try Linux Mint XFCE or Ubuntu Lite, fast and easy to set up. If you're into privacy, check out Fedora. It's cutting-edge but still stable, and perfect for learning without the bloat. Gamers, Pop! OS is your friend. Built by System76, it's optimized for gaming and comes with drivers out of the box. If you want to tinker and really learn Linux, give Manjaro a go. It's based on Arch but much easier to install and you'll pick up loads along the way. And if you just want something that looks gorgeous, Elementary OS has a sleek Mac-like feel. So, what's your use case? Choose a distro that fits your goals, and remember, you can always switch later. Linux is about experimenting, learning, and having fun, so dive in and start exploring. For creative professionals, Ubuntu Studio is a fantastic choice. If privacy is your top concern, Tails OS is designed for anonymity and security. For students and education, Edubuntu offers a suite of learning tools right out of the box. Advanced users might enjoy OpenSUSE for its powerful tools and flexibility. Minimalists can try Arch Linux for a truly custom experience but be ready for a learning curve. And for Raspberry Pi users, Raspberry Pi OS is optimized for the hardware and easy to use.